Hi there, it's Travis. I've got a 13-course lute. The fellow who I made it for, Bob, is coming to pick it up today. He's coming in about half an hour. So I want to make some sort of record of how the lute sounds. It's been strung for probably a couple of months, but I haven't been playing it that much. I've got my own new lute to play, so that's what I've been doing. But I've kept it in tune, and I tuned it up afresh today, and so I thought I would just play some notes and play some chords. I don't know what I'm doing on the Baroque lute. I've only got a half an hour. It's not nearly enough time. It would take me at least an hour to learn how to play the Baroque lute. So I'll just fumble around and make some chords and make some sounds. I hope they're nice. If they're not, don't blame my lute. Blame me, or blame my cheap camera phone. There. A nice D minor chord. D major. D minor.